Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashish. In today's video, we will talk about if you win too much money on any betting app or website, your account might be closed or under review. Yes, friends, it is a real fact, and there are many people who are suffering the same problem, and they have told me to make a video about it. So that's why I'm telling everything in this video. Friends, every app or website, if you talk about, those are only for temporary base. You can't make huge money on this app. Like, if you think you have one account, and if you think you will make 1 crore or 2 crore or 50 lakh rupees on the same amount, that is impossible, friends, because every platform has their deadline. You can't win more than that deadline or their limit. That's why they earn too much income from betting app, and that is a really big business for every person. So guys, just keep it in mind before play on any app. You can't win too much amount on the any app. If you want to earn money, you have to keep patience, plus you have to earn teeny payments. Like you can earn 20,000, 10,000 per day, not 2 lakh, 5 lakh per day. If you will earn 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 3 lakh per day, your account might be closed or maybe under review, and you will never gonna open again that account. The same thing happened with my colleague. He has been using his account for 2 years. Now he has won more than 7 lakh on that account. Now he is unable to log in that account. So he asked me what to do. So I just tell him, don't use that account, just make another account and don't earn too much money on that account. Just you can do one thing, just make 3 or 4 account and earn 10 day by day 10,000, 5,000, 20,000. That's it. That is a simple method to earn money from any app on Bet365, like Betway, Tafabet. Okay, this is a good way to earn money. Okay, if you think you want to earn money limited time and you want to make huge money, that is not a good idea. Okay, you might be lose whole money, and maybe you win. Okay, but what I want to tell you, if you win too much, you will might block or maybe under review. So it is a good for you. Every platform has their limit. You can't win more than that. If you will win more than that, your account will go under review or might be closed. So just do one thing, make 3 or 4 accounts and earn day by day 10,000, 20,000, 5,000. That is a really good trick to earn and withdraw money, because if you will earn 10,000, they can ignore. But if you will earn 2 lakh, 1 lakh in a day, they are not gonna ignore you. Okay guys, so just keep it in mind and play responsible and patiently. Okay friend, I will meet you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. If you like my video, you can share, like and do comment, and you can ask me anything in my comment. Thank you for watching.